is it so good?
That the Cat in the Hat likes to play a lot.
The Cat in the Hat likes to play a lot. Who are some of the characters in the story that he likes to play with?
Cat in the Hat, the fish.
Is there a little? I think there's a boy and a girl in the story. Are their parents at home?
They're gone.
The parents are gone, so the cat comes out when the parents are gone? Okay. And if the parents were to come home, what would happen to the cat?
They were telling him to get out of the house.
They told him to get out of the house. Why?
They didn't tell him to get out of the house. They didn't come home until it was time to.
The parents came home when it was time for him to leave. Well, what did the Cat and the Hat and the boy and girl do in the house?
They messed up the house.
They messed up the house. Wow. Can you read a little bit and tell me about the mess that they made in the house?
The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two, and I said how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. And then something went bump. And how that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the Cat in the Hat, and he said to us, "Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny."
Thank you, Xavier. So it seems like for everybody who's out there watching this show today, they are going to have to pick up that book for themselves to figure out what kinds of messes were made in the house.